Okay, so good morning, student. This is my second lecture on pi acid ligand complex. The topic is pi acid complex. What is the meaning of pi acid complex? You already know that a complex is a combination of transition. Complex is a combination of transition metal ions like iron 3 or 2 plus, cobalt 2 or 3 plus, nickel 2 plus, copper 2 plus, etc. So complex is the combination of transition metal ion with some sorts of molecule or ion. The molecules may be neutral. Molecules may be neutral, like ammonia, water, phosphine, nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and ions like chloride, thiocyanide, cyanide, NO+, etc. So normally a complex means a transition metal. Say for example, suppose that this is the metal ion, this is the metal ion. If this metal ion getting surrounded by some molecule, say for example X, 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 and X, where these X may either be neutral or ion, ये X क्या हो सकता है? न्यूट्रल भी हो सकता है और आयनिक भी हो सकता है. So this combined form is known as complex. Now, what is the meaning of pi acid complex? We know very well that this X, where it may be neutral or ions, it has some donor atom. Say for example, if X is H2O, then this X contains oxygen as a donor atom. This X means water where oxygen is a donor atom. If X is ammonia, then the donor atom is nitrogen. Okay, so donor atom, this molecule contains a donor atom. Why donor atom? Because this atom contains some lone pair of electron, which lone pair of electron is being donated to the metal ion. And according to Lewis acid base concept, any molecule or ions which donate a pair electron is called base. So this molecule may be treated as base. And this part accept the donor electron. This part accepts the electron donated from the neutral molecule. So this is the acid. So complex is nothing but a combination of Lewis acid base type, where Lewis acid means the transition metal ion behaves as Lewis acid, and neutral molecule like ammonia or chloride, these are base. But in pi acid complex, there are some types of ligands which, in addition to donation of electron, there are some complex where the coordinated molecule like X, in addition of donation of electron, they also accept the electron from metal ions. कहने का मतलब कि कुछ वैसे कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं जहां पर कि कुछ वैसे लिगेंड होते हैं क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन के डोनेशन के साथ साथ ये इलेक्ट्रॉन का एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं. एंड वी नो दैट द मॉलिक्यूल with tendency to accept electron are known as acid. So such complex where the ligand show the property to accept the electron collected on the metal ions are known as pi acid complex. So let me write down the full definition of pi acid complex. If someone asks us what do you mean by pi acid complex, तो क्या लिखेंगे कि pi acid complex या the complex which is formed by combination of metal and such ligand which show the tendency to accept the electron gathered on metal ion in addition to donate of electron pair is known as pi acid complex. Okay. For example, if I write down an example like nickel carbonyl, so in this complex the metal is nickel and the ligand is carbon monoxide. This is the ligand, carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide donates its electron to nickel. It donates its electron to nickel. This donates electron to nickel. This donates electron to nickel. This donates electron to nickel. But simultaneously, the carbon monoxide also accepts the electrons from nickel to carbon, from nickel to carbon, from nickel to carbon, from nickel to carbon, and under this condition this is no longer triple bond, but it will be a partial double bond character. It is partial double bond character. So there will be partial double bond, there is a partial double bond, there is a partial double bond. So such type of molecule is known as pi acid complex. 1 minute